What's up, y'all? It's Jullien from the Buy Back Baton Rouge Fund and the Multifamily Movement, and I'm standing in front of our property at 1440 Government Street right here. That used to be the Valley Inn Hotel, and then we own all of this back here. That's 27.5 thousand square feet of commercial real estate right there. Where I'm positioned is on Government and South 14th. That is Electric Depot there, which was a catalyst project to really kick off the development here. You might not be able to see it, but in between the trees right there is the Lincoln Hotel, which we also own. That's going to be 12 multifamily units with two businesses on the bottom floor. And what oftentimes gets overlooked, yeah, that sold sign, that's us. What oftentimes gets overlooked is this lot right here, which is the size of a football field, basically. We are currently in the process of working with the owners there because there's some rundown properties in the middle of the lot, but then we will own that full block outright, and we have ideas and plans for how to develop that. I'm standing on the corner of South 14th and Government, and again, we got the Lincoln Hotel right there, which we own. We got this huge lot, size of a football field, that we own, and we got this huge commercial property that's the size of a football field that we own right next to Electric Depot, which is the catalyst project in this neighborhood. So big things will go on. Big things to go on, and just really excited to be here and to see this unfold and to have you all involved in it as part of the Buy Back Baton Rouge Fund. We are raising money right now, and you can go to buybackbatonrouge.com, buybackbatonrouge.com, to get details on all the numbers and what you would actually be investing in to come own this with us. Honestly, I haven't seen an opportunity. When I look at the U.S. map, I haven't seen an opportunity for us to do this for ourselves anywhere else. Yeah, there's people in New York and etc. A lot of these mature markets, there is too far gone. But here in Baton Rouge, a smaller secondary market, the possibility is here. And this whole neighborhood back here is the Eddie Robinson Senior Historic District, and this is where we're not going to be able to own everything. This is not going to be like a Tulsa, right? But we are going to lead the vision for the development of this entire community that was divested. How did it get divested? First thing that happened was they ran, the government ran the 110 freeway through this community that had developed here, right? Put a freeway through a community, it breaks it up, you take out the business, etc., and now they have to start from scratch, right? Then what happened after that was integration. Integration occurred, and so once integration occurred, the Lincoln Hotel, people stopped going to the all-black hotel because then they could go to the white hotels, right? Again, these are black people just trying to be white. That was just so embedded in our psychology, and it got us caught up. We thought we were making progress, but we were actually going backwards. And then the third reason was the black middle class that lived in this neighborhood. After white flight occurred, guess what? They took black flight, and again, trying to keep up with the Joneses, and trying to be white. Like, that is not the name of the game, y'all. Just be you. You ain't gotta be white, you ain't gotta be this, you ain't gotta be that, you gotta be you. That's the only way you ever gonna be happy and fulfilled anyway. So we got caught up getting tied into and reeled into this American dream. I don't compare myself to anybody as an individual, and I don't compare my culture to anybody. Every culture has its own unique gift to bring to this world and this earth. But when you spend your time trying to be like the dominant culture at the current moment in time, then you're going to find yourself off your square. And so that's what happened to us. So history happens in cycles, and this is a cycle that we hope to break by redeveloping this in the right way, making sure that there is home ownership, that there's affordable rental units here, that there's quality living, that this is no longer a food desert, that there's health care here, that there's jobs here. That is the focus of everything that we're doing here. This is what we call comprehensive, concentrated community development. It's comprehensive because it is all-inclusive, and we are thinking about every different aspect of community development, and it's concentrated because we're focused on this 200 square acres back here. We're focused on this 200 square acres back here in terms of our development and all the capital that we're raising. So again, we would love for you to be involved. You can go to buybackbatonrouge.com, buybackbatonrouge.com, to join us in this crowdfund to raise $2.75 million for some of the developments in this particular neighborhood that we already own, and we're excited to be partners with you. All right, much love, y'all. Peace.